Today is day 2 in our mini series of showing you sneak peeks at the printed vinyls that are coming your way to sewyours.com. If you're local to our Dunnellon, Florida store, you can purchase these now by visiting our shop. These are all exclusive to Sew Yours. I designed these myself and had so much fun doing it. So first up, we have our Midnight Cherries print. I printed this on a woven textured vinyl, and I love how the cherries pop against the black. Pairing this with either a red milled grain faux leather that we offer or our black milled grain faux leather is going to look stunning. If you want more of a matte look, we also have our Harrison suede in the color black. That's going to look great with this. Now, I didn't just design the exterior or the printed vinyl. I'm also giving you a liner text print. So if you're familiar with our liner text, we've got the liner text print. And this time the scale is just a little bit smaller for the cherries, and I put it on a light pale pink background. So you can have your exterior nice and dark and your lining light, so that way you can see everything down inside of your bag. So here is just another look at the different combos to give you some inspiration for when these fabrics go live on our website. If you're not already subscribed to our newsletter, make sure you subscribe to get notified when all of these new products do go live. Let's move on to our next print. And here we have our puppy pile print. You may have already seen this when I released our cotton fabric in this print. We now have it available in vinyl. And this is our cracked texture vinyl. I designed this at the request of my husband. He wanted a print just like this. Took a lot of time to get all these doggies arranged to just so and make it a repeating pattern. So I think this was probably a 6-hour project for me. Took quite a bit of time, but I love the end results. We do have a striker, Doreen, who is going to be making the Gracie by Shambhala bags with this print in the center, and she is actually using, I think, our caramel milled grain faux leather for the sides. So that combo looks great together. She'll have that bag done in the next couple of weeks, and when this goes live, you'll be able to see that bag and get some inspiration on how it looks together. You could pair that with our milled grain faux leather in the black color. You could also do the white if you wanted to, and we have our chocolate brown milled grain faux leather, just to give you some options on what looks nice to pair with this print. Next up, we have one that's going to be perfect for school teachers. So we've got school buses and backpacks, crayons, an owl, a school bell, a pencil, a chalkboard. So had lots of fun with this one. It's really fun and playful. Cheryl Ann, one of our staff members, is going to be making the market tote size of the Sun and Run tote, which is one of my patterns in this fabric. She is going to pair that with our navy blue milled grain faux leather. I'm going to grab that so you can take a look at it. And here you have the milled grain faux leather in the color navy alongside our newest liner text, which is in our pinstripe, the color red. So she's doing the bottom of the bag with the solid, then the main part of the bag is going to be with the print, and then her lining is the red. And we also have owl zipper pulls that are going to look adorable with this bag. So this is a great gift item. You can make a nice large tote bag and gift it to any of your school teachers. You could also make a cute backpack for a child too, an elementary aged child, and this would be really adorable. Next up, we have our summer strides. This is also available online and in store in quilt and cotton now. The vinyl will be available online in December. I know it's the wrong time of year, but I had a lot of fun designing this, and I figured I might as well just put it out now. So you can stock up on this and be ready to make your summer bags with the summer strides. I didn't just print it on cotton and vinyl. I went a step further and brought it in our water resistant canvas. Now you can see how different the colors compare whenever you print it on a vinyl versus a canvas. They may have also used a different printer, so the canvas is more saturated than the vinyl is. So you can make a Sun and Run tote, which is one of my patterns, with the canvas one and then some mesh. That'd make a great beach bag for next year. Here we have another print that is available in quilting cotton currently. Here is our Turtle Voyage in the printed vinyl, and it absolutely came out stunning in the vinyl. So much depth in this. I had a lot of fun designing it. I put a lot of layers in it. I added some rays of light to really make it dimensional here. So that is our Turtle Voyage. And I brought in Turtle Voyage in the waterproof or I should say water resistant canvas as well. So that completes today's video. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for the next collection of fabrics releasing in December.